Alright, listen up. If your iPhone or Android's been acting weird lately, battery dying fast, heating up for no reason, slow as heck, or popping notifications you never touched, this video is important. Hackers ain't just after computers anymore. They're after your phone. And yeah, even iPhones ain't untouchable. Spyware, stalkerware, Apple ID attacks, this stuff's way more common than people think, especially in the US. So today, I'm showing you 10 real signs your phone might already be hacked. If even one of these shows up, don't ignore it. Alright, let's jump in. Sign 1. Your battery dies crazy fast. If your battery's dropping way faster than normal, like 20, 30, 40% for no reason, that's a huge red flag. That usually means some kind of spyware or creepy background app is running 24/7. Hackers use stuff that can track you, record your screen, listen to your mic, send your data to some sketchy server. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Battery, and scroll till you see Battery Usage by App. On Android, go to Settings, then Battery, then tap on App Usage. If you see an app at the top you don't even remember installing, yeah, someone's messing with your phone. Sign 2. Your phone heats up even when you're doing nothing. If your phone feels like a mini toaster even when it's sitting there doing nothing, yeah, that ain't normal, man. That means something is running hard in the background. Could be crypto miner, screen recorder, spy app, or remote access tool. Your phone's getting hot because it's working overtime for somebody else. Sign 3. Your data usage shoots up out of nowhere. This one gets scary real quick. Spy apps upload everything. Your photos, your chats, your mic recordings, your GPS location, and that uses data even on Wi-Fi. On iPhone, to go to Settings, then Cellular, and just scroll down till you see Cellular Data Usage. On Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and tap on Data Usage. If there's a random app burning through gigs, that's malware, straight up. Sign 4. Random ads, pop-ups, or browser redirects. Browser taking you to weird sites, pop-ups out of nowhere, ads showing up even when you're not browsing the internet? Yeah, that's malware. That's probably stage 1 before real spyware hits. Sign 5. You see random apps you never installed. If apps show up out of nowhere, apps you never downloaded, yeah, that's not magic. That's someone installing them remotely. Hackers hide malware inside stuff named like System Service 2.1, Security Update, Cleaner Pro. If you don't remember downloading it, delete it. Sign 6. Your screen wakes up by itself. Your phone shouldn't just light up for no reason. If it does, that could mean somebody's remotely controlling your screen, sending silent commands, or checking your notifications. If it happens more than once or twice, yeah, that's sus. Sign 7. Weird noises during calls. If you hear static, echo, clicking, weird pops, or robot noises during calls, somebody might be listening. Modern spyware can straight up tap your calls. If this starts happening suddenly, take it seriously. Sign 8. You get login alerts. You didn't trigger. If Google or Apple keeps sending you alerts like someone's trying to sign in from Texas or New York or someplace you've never been, that means someone's trying to sync your entire phone to their device. Sign 9. Your phone suddenly gets slower than a potato. If your phone suddenly feels laggy, glitchy, or slow AF, but it's not even old, that's usually malware. Hackers install stuff like keyloggers, background recorders, remote control apps, and all that junk destroys performance. Sign 10. You get OTPs or password reset texts you didn't request. Okay, this is the most dangerous sign on the whole list. If you're getting OTPs, bank texts, reset links, or random email codes you never requested, someone's trying to reset your bank login, steal your PayPal or Zelle, hijack your Gmail, take over your phone number, break into your social media. If this happens even once, lock down everything immediately. How to fix a hacked phone. Yeah, so what do you do if your phone shows even one of these signs? Here's the fastest way to clean it. Delete weird apps immediately. Turn on Play, Protect, or App Store safety checks. Disable permissions for shady apps. Change all your passwords. Turn on two-factor authentication everywhere. Reset network settings. If things look really bad, factory reset it. A clean reset wipes 99% of mobile malware. If you want to see that one hidden setting that stops like 90% of phone hacks, type yes in the comments. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.